Wagwan KK squad, welcome back or welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be using one product to do my flexi rod set, and that product is called the Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight Foam to Gel Styler. So this mousse is amazing. It comes as a gel, as you can see in the bottle, but when you squeeze it from the bottle it becomes a foam. How cool is that? Like, I've never seen anything like that before. That is super cool, from gel to foam. Anyways, I'm gonna be using the Africa's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil to seal in the mousse. You can use any oil of your choice, but I chose to use that oil. As you can see here, I have this pack of perm rods. It's not flexi rods, it's perm rods. Oh my goodness, why I keep calling it flexi rods? Flexi rods are the softer ones. These are the perm rods. I ordered these off of Amazon and I got it in just a couple of hours. Same day delivery. Listen, talk to me nice. Because, listen, they come in different sizes and colors. Each color is different. It's a different size, basically. So, you know, from big to small, small to big. Me love it. I forgot how many came in the pack, but it was a lot. Enough to do my hair. As you can see here, my hair is freshly washed. I washed my hair. It was half dry, like probably 60-70%. As you can see, I'm giving you guys a little texture shot. Front of my hair has loose texture and the back has a tight texture, and you see the gray hair just hanapa look upon me. Anyways, may I leave it right there, it not going anywhere. So I did most of the style off camera, sorry guys, but I have a few left to show you guys how I do my perm rod set. It's still the same way as how you do flexi rods, but I made a mistake and called this video a flexi rod video, but you get the point. As you can see here, I use the oil first and then I spray a little water from the spray bottle. After spraying the hair, I use the mousse, and then that's about it. Once I apply the mousse, I comb through thoroughly just to make sure there's no knots or anything. You know, you want the curls to come out very smooth, no, frizz, none of that. So after that, I start to wrap. I'll show you guys how I wrap the hair on the perm rod, so watch carefully as I do this. Also watch closely on how I close the perm rod. As you can see, I put that part with the rubber band behind the hair, the opposite side, and close it so it doesn't unravel. Hopefully it makes sense what I'm saying, but it's better to just watch keenly what I'm doing. So as you can see, I'm just gonna keep doing the same process that I've been doing for all of them. Apply oil first, then spray a little water from the spray bottle, apply the mousse, and then get to combing out the hair, and then I apply the perm rods. So I'm just gonna do that for all 3 pieces that are remaining. So watch carefully what I do. Just enjoy the music. Oh, so let me tell you guys what really happened during this perm rod style. So I did the back off camera, and also I did it the day before that day that I'm doing the front. So I did the back one day and then the next day I did the front, which was a bad idea because when I got to unraveling the hair, some in the front they were dry, but then they weren't 100% dry. So you're gonna see what happened, but they still came out cute, so just keep watching. I'm all done now with the perm rods. Now I'm gonna get to tying my hair just to avoid frizz the next day. Oh my gosh, the hardest part about this is the sleeping part. Those things are hard. Just imagine. Listen, don't even imagine. They say beauty is pain, so you want to look good, you know, so this is gonna happen. You want to look good, you have to just take what you get. Sleep on the tough, feel like a 10-20 stone on my head top. Anyways, it's the next day. And my eyes are swollen because I was watching the I don't know if you guys know that Netflix series From Scratch. Oh my gosh. I don't even want to talk about it just in case a lot of people haven't watched it as yet. But it's a good watch. Anyways, as you can see, what I did earlier, I applied oil to my fingers before starting the unraveling process, just to avoid frizz as well. We have to do everything in our powers to avoid these frizz because them not cute. Yeah, less frizz, the longer the hairstyle lasts. So as you can see here, I'm unraveling the perm rods. The back are super dry, everything good around this, so but it's when we get to the front, so just keep watching.
That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she like it. Got my flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they set. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. I swear they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like Stockton. Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. So cool, he a fool with this shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. You can put a Genie of Vincenzo's.
Alright, KK squad, so I'm all done unraveling these perm rods. As you can see, I'm in my cute little pink dress. I'm about to go to brunch with my friends, so I was kind of rushing here to just get my hairstyle done and out the way. But as you can see, the front, I don't know if you can tell, it was still a little damp, but it still had the curls in it, you know. So I just pulled them apart, which I didn't do too much pulling because I didn't want frizz. Listen, the frizz business, yeah. I just did I just opened them one time for the first day, and then the next day and the next day I, you know, fluff it out some more so it get bigger and bigger. But this is what I got for the first day with the perm rods. I hope you like it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Anyways, stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.